Hi, I'm Mike. I am 62 years old, and we are in my backyard. We jokingly say if it's alive in our yard, it'll live anywhere because it doesn't require a whole lot of effort. That's what we like. We are located in Polk County, Florida, which is in the center of the state, and we are probably one of the citrus capitals of the world. Well, I am the mayor of Hillcrest Heights. Very small town, no stoplights, no stores. I hated wearing glasses, even though I'd worn them for 20 years. What I missed the most was being able to wear sunglasses. Even though I had prescription sunglasses, they just weren't the same. My distance vision was really bad. Driving, especially trying to read a street sign, I'd have to make sure that I had my wife in the car because I didn't know what the name of the street was until I got past the street. Said, oops, I should have turned right there. Probably the biggest issue was driving at night. It got to the point where I hated to go anywhere. Oh, it was unbelievable after the first surgery. I could see everything from distance to up close with no issues. I could read anything without my glasses. I don't read as much as I should. I use my smartphone a lot. Everything is clear. I do enjoy also woodworking. And the one thing I have noticed since I've gotten my new lenses is how much easier it is to read gauges on it, the measurements. Don't have any of those issues since I have the new lenses. Well, it brings back the old days where you can just get in the car and go. I have no difficulty driving at night anymore. It makes all the difference in the world to be able to see at all distances without glasses. I mean, if you have a chance to get a lens like I have, I would say by all means to have it done. It's well worth it. I feel wonderful. It's a great feeling to be able to see everything from distance to up close with no issues. Being an old band student is a superior.